Hello students, in this video I will tell you how to attempt question number 2B of the English paper. Now 2B is summarize the given passage and give a suitable title. This question is very scoring, but you need to know how to attempt it. Summary is to recapitulate the main points and written in brief. The first thing is read the passage and reread. First time when you read, try to get the gist of the passage. Underline the important lines, important words, keywords of the sentence, condense it. Students, if possible, write it in rough with the help of pencil. Do not take examples, dates or statistics, abbreviations or questions. Read it second time and see you have excluded or deleted words or sentences which are not needed. Now the question comes, how to write the summary? The first thing is give a suitable title and never write the title in the end. The title should always be written on top. Write your answer only in one paragraph. Length depends on passage, but hopefully 5 to 6 lines only. Include the main points and write in short sentences. Write in your own words, simple sentence, avoid complex sentences. Never write quotations or my views, my opinion, or I have to say, or comments. Do not add information which is not in the passage. Hints given in the question paper should definitely be there in the answer. Now students, the passage is given. The first answer which I have written is written in rough. I have already underlined the hints which was given there in the question paper. This is just for your reference because if you write like this, it will be convenient for you to answer this question. And whatever you have written in rough, in the end, try to strike it. And this rough, when you are writing, write it with the help of pencil. Once again, the same answer I have written. This is the answer which you will write in the board exam. Thank you, students.